Greetings with peace, viewers. Watermelon is a sweet and refreshing low-calorie summer snack. It provides hydration and also essential nutrients. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This large round fruit has a green rind and bright red flesh. It's packed with nutrients, including antioxidants and vitamins A and C. A watermelon is approximately 92% water. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are 9 benefits of watermelon. Number 1. Asthma prevention. Some experts believe that free radicals contribute to the development of asthma. The presence of certain antioxidants in the lungs, including vitamin C, may reduce the risk of having asthma. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for your body to function properly. Body temperature regulation, normal organ function, nutrient delivery to cells, and alertness are some of the bodily processes that rely on adequate hydration. Eating foods with a high water content may help give your body the water it needs to function properly. Number 3. Healthier heart. Watermelon is rich in amino acid called citrulline. It may help move blood through your body and can lower your blood pressure. Studies show that it may lower your risk of heart attacks. But make sure you also work out, don't smoke, limit saturated fat. Nitric oxide helps your blood vessels expand, which lowers blood pressure. Number 4. Reduced blood pressure. In a 2012 study, researchers found that watermelon extract reduced blood pressure in and around the ankles of middle-aged people with obesity and early hypertension. The authors suggested that L-citrulline and L-arginine, 2 of the antioxidants in watermelon, may improve the function of the arteries. Number 5. Anticancer effects. Several plant compounds found in watermelon, including lycopene and cucurbitacin. It has possible anti-cancer effects. Free radicals can play a role in the development of some types of cancer. The oxidative stress they cause can result in DNA cell damage. Some studies have also linked lycopene intake with a lower risk of prostate cancer. Number 6. Protects your joints. Watermelon has a natural pigment called beta-cryptoxanthin. It may protect your joints from inflammation. It could make you less likely to get rheumatoid arthritis. Number 7. Improved digestion. Watermelon has high water content and also provides some fiber. These nutrients help promote a healthy gut by preventing constipation and promoting regularity of bowel movements. Number 8. Reduce muscle soreness. Watermelon and watermelon juice may reduce muscle soreness. It also improves recovery time following exercise in athletes. This compound helps expand blood vessels so that your heart doesn't need to work as hard to pump blood through your body. Number 9. Healthy skin. Watermelon contains vitamin C, which the body needs to produce collagen. Collagen is essential for cell structure and immune function. Vitamin C also promotes wound healing. Vitamin A is also important for healthy skin. It helps create and repair skin cells. Several nutrients in watermelon promote hair and skin health. Watermelon is loaded with water. It also makes a great face mask. Nutrition of watermelon. Watermelon is also a wonderful source of vitamin A, vitamin B5, magnesium, and potassium. Nutrients per serving. 1 cup of raw watermelon contains calories 46, protein 0.9 grams, fat 0.2 grams, carbohydrates 11.6 grams, fiber 0.6 grams, sugar 9.5 grams. Risks of watermelon. Although watermelon has many important vitamins, it is also high in sugar. This can make it a problematic choice for those with diabetes or anybody else trying to control blood sugar levels. Additionally, the high lycopene content in watermelon may be troublesome when drinking alcohol. Consumed together, they can cause liver inflammation. Some may develop symptoms of an allergic reaction, such as hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. If this happens, the person needs medical attention, as it can sometimes lead to anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening condition. Watermelons are very beneficial food if we use it wisely. They are rich in nutrients and compounds. Because they contain high water content, they are very easy to consume. They are high in volume and less in calories. The fiber in the watermelon plays an essential role in the digestive system. Therefore, the watermelon is the perfect fruit for the summer season. Watermelon is a tasty, thirst-quenching fruit. Many people enjoy in the heat of summer. It has a very high water content and provides nutrients like lycopene, citrulline, and vitamins A and C. In order to get all the nutrients these fruits bring, don't forget to have some. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.